What's up, guys? It's 10:19. It's 9:30 a.m. California time. And like I said yesterday, the channel may have been widened up to the 50% retracement level. And as we can see, that's exactly what happened. We wicked it over here twice, wasn't able to pass it. Looks like we wicked it here twice, and we're currently getting pushed back. Like I said yesterday, I don't think it's going to break through the 50% today. Um, Let me see here. We've got some pretty decent volume going on, but we've also got some nice bearish resistance here right now at this level. And we've seen it before, not that long ago. Um, yeah, because this is just yesterday. So it looks like we're having a repeat, maybe, of this little action yesterday. And this is actually the third time that we're testing this level. I forgot about right here. So things usually happen in threes, or they happen in threes a lot in the BTC USD chart. So we're having our third test here. There is a possibility that if it does turn red and goes back down, it may bounce right here and retest again. If it does that, if it bounces here and retest, it will most likely break through. If it does not bounce here, and this doesn't hold as support, like it didn't hold over here, we're going to come back down here and retest the true support line, which is the 78.6 retracement on the new fib. You may have noticed that I left the old swing high and the old swing low up here. Again, just for reference. But yeah, this didn't seem to matter. The old swing high didn't seem to matter. Coming back down, it didn't hold as support, but it has acted as resistance. Okay, so should the bearish pressure be enough to break back through this level and we retest down here on the way back up, this will be resistance one more time. However, should we hit the 78.6 and bounce and this doesn't become resistance, then we'll most likely head uh, all the way back here. Yeah, without the resistance here, we could go on another slight run that'll take us back up here to the 23.6 retracement. But as it's looking right now, we're going to have trouble getting through the 50%. If we have trouble getting through the 50%, we're also going to have trouble getting through the 38.2. What I'm expecting to happen, though, is we come back down here and retest this level one more time. Yeah, we just turned red, as you can see, on this candle. So it's 9:34, and it looks like it's going to start trying to build a candle body now that's going to be red, which means that, yes, this resistance area is holding, and it's holding pretty strong. I didn't check the higher time frames this morning before I started recording, so I don't really know whether or not they're still green. Looking at the MACD and the rest of the chart, I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, they're most likely still green. Let's check real quick on the day. The day is green, but it is now a smaller candle body than it was yesterday. So we're getting some good bearish pressure on the day. It's shrinking the candle bodies. Let's check the week real quick. Okay, the week, yesterday the week was above the 50% level. As we can see, the bearish pressure is taking it down. Looks like it's trying to push it back down here. But that's not really that bad. The week is still green, which means the day is going to be green. And it's a smaller day candle as well. So back to the 1 hour chart, we can see that's turning red. And what we're waiting for is another consolidation to start us off. So we'll have a new entry exit point. However, for those who would trade the expansion, knowing where the resistance is here and knowing where the support is here, you have your entry and exit points in and out of this level. Okay? If you're going to do that, be aware that if you enter here at the low point, at the support, that it may just go right here and turn around like it did over here. So don't be surprised about that. When it gets back down to here and you decide to enter, if this is where you're going to enter along this Fibonacci line, you might want to set your take profit just below the next fib line. Or if you're feeling brave, somewhere in the middle between the 50% and the 61.8 as a exit point. Personally, I only like to trade the trend. So I'll be looking for the consolidation after this expansion. We're most likely going to go into a consolidation. We may just drop into a trend. I can see here on the MACD that price line is starting to curve downward. We can see it here on the chart as it's going red. Let's see what the 2 hour looks like. 2 hours most likely red as well. Yeah. 3 hour might be green. Nope, it is also red. So we're seeing enough bearish pressure to make the higher time frames red. Again, depending on what time frame you're on, when you're trading, you would want to use a higher time frame to confirm that the momentum is going in whichever direction you're trading. If you're going bearish, you want the higher time frames to be bearish. If you're going long, you want the higher time frames to be bullish. And that'll tell you the overall direction of the market at whatever time frame you're using. Like, I like to use the hour time frame. So what I normally do is I come over here and I look at the day. If the day's green and I'm trading in the hour, then I feel really comfortable about trading in the hour. The day is green. Okay. If the week happens to be green, I'm still trading in the hour, and I'll most likely let the trade go longer because the week is green. So the day is green. Like I said, I don't like trading in expansions. I only like trading during the trend where I have a positive knowledge of which way the market is actually going. So I'm not like surprised, stopped out early, or any other negative effect of trading expansions. So to recap, we're looking for a retest down here, probably somewhere between 6 to 10 hours away. Um, the other day, it actually took like 21 hours. I think we're in the 21, 22 hours to get where we are. And I think this is like the 23rd hour right here that just turned green for us. But still with a bunch of bearish pressure. We can see it down here by the volume. The volume is like bearish volume. So looks like we're going to have a little fight right here at this level between the super smart bulls and the regular bulls. You guys call the super smart bulls bears. There are no bears. So this is where the fight area is going to be for now. And right now, super smart bulls are winning. And they're pushing the price back down. Like I said, most likely to retest here. If it breaks through here, which I really, really doubt, but if it does, we'll get stopped right here. We may even get stopped at the ghost Fibonacci. That's what this gray line is. Any gray line that's ever on my chart is a ghost Fibonacci or a ghost consolidation line, not Fibonacci. This is an old consolidation line. You can tell right there. There's the yellow consolidation line. There's the ghost consolidation line. I got to stop getting that confused. Anyway, guys, it's about time for me to head on out. I'm going to sign off now. Everybody have a blessed day. Until next time, this is the Dark Sage. Peace.